Exactly. I have a friend who works in an official "my cat walks all over me" pet shirt customer service job for the IRS. She told me any defaulted student loans back. Official "my cat walks all over me" pet shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. Trump wouldn't pass an official "my cat walks all over me" pet shirt security check to be a Humvee mechanic. Yeti's president. Definitely not getting in a casino job. If in debt, we need somebody extremely wealthy, like Joe Biden. Add it to the list of things that make other products